Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Fast and accurate fingerprint recognition. Remote access with temporary or scheduled codes. Smart home integration. Okay, Google, open the door. Real-time monitoring. Quick and easy installation. It was successfully processed. The smarter way to get in. Samsung SmartLock A30.
What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up, though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo smart lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it. Introducing the Nest Yale lock.
For more than 100 years, Schlage has helped you protect what matters most.
It's our new house.
Trust your home to Schlage.